Nakabot ako.
Stephanie.
Mga kaibigan, narangal po natin mga kapiling ngayong gabi ang dalawang pambansang alagad ng sining natin. Pambansang alagad ng sining para sa pelikula at broadcast media, Aligili. At pambansang alagad ng sining para sa pelikula, Miss Nora.
Settle down na po tayo. Settle down na po. Mag-start na po yung show po.
Umupo na po. Sorry.
Ang bago mag-start.
Po sir, pwede na po tayo bumalik sa seats.
Picturean mo.
May program pa naman po. May program pa.
Welcome to the closing film of Cinemalaya Bente, the restored version of Bola. Let's all give a round of applause to the team of Bola. Mr. Philip Salvador,
Ito si ate.
Mr. Nandino Sir, Miss Ruby Ruiz, and Bola herself, the national artist for film, Miss Nora. Again, let's give a round of applause to our actors of the film Bola.
Para mas maayos po yung program natin.
Sorry po.
Balik na lang po tayo.
Balik na lang po tayo sa seats po natin.
Balik na lang po tayo sa mga seats.
Happy guys.
Okay na po. Backseat na po tayo after po.
Good evening to each and every one of you.
Excuse po.
Ako po si Philip Salvador. Leading man po na nag-iisang bona ng Pilipinas. I am proud to be here po kasi alam kong darating si Superstar.
Yes!
And she didn't want to fail you. That's why she came. Paski hindi masyado maganda ang makaramdam na dumating siya ngayon dito. Alam ko po naunawaan niyo siya. Ngayon po, mag-enjoy tayo kay Bona. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
May we request the team to please step forward to receive the certificate of recognition. To present the certificate of recognition, we would like to call on Ms. Tess Francis, Deputy Festival Director, and Mr. Dennis Marasigan, CCP Artistic Director and Vice President. To read these invitations, Cultural Center of the Philippines and Cinemalaya Foundation Inc. present the certificate of recognition to Nora Vilmoyo, producer of Bola, closing film of Cinemalaya Bente. Given this 10th day of August in Cinemalaya, Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, Macapagal Boulevard, corner Asiana Avenue, Parañaque City. Signed, Dennis N. Marasigan, CCP Artistic Director, Chris Migueliado, Cinemalaya Bente Festival Director, Carlos Seguin Reyna, Cinemalaya Competition and Monitoring Chairperson, Luis Gillian, Cinemalaya President, Casey Tinga, CCP President, and Antonio O. Cubanco, Cinemalaya Foundation Chairman. Again, the team of Bola. Congratulations.
Happy guys.
We can now proceed to our chairs to start the film.
Start na po yung film.
Happy guys. Para mga puso.
We love you.
Balik na po tayo. Salamat po.
Harap dito.
Ate
Ate
love you
Guy,
po.
dito naman. Ate Guy. We love you.
This side po. This side.
This side. This side.
Ate Guy! Ate Guy! Start na po.
natin.
Okay.
Ah.